going on, guys? Grab your popcorn, grab you a soda, whatever you want to drink, and stay tuned. I'm gonna get underneath this car and we're gonna get some dirt cleaned off.
Alrighty then.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just got in my seam sealer gun and I'm going to be opening that up, going through it, kind of figuring out how to use it and operate it, adjusting it, letting you guys see me learn how to use it, and hopefully seam sealing the engine bay. Let's get back to the seam sealer gun. I'm going to open this up, I'm going to get it set up, and we're going to get stuck in. All right, guys, so I got everything set up and I've done a couple test little sprays in here to try and get everything tested in right, and as you can see, kind of goes everywhere. I'm gonna keep messing with it to try and get it just a little bit neater. I know it's probably not gonna be the best in the world, but at the same time, I don't want spaghetti noodles going everywhere. So once I get that dialed in, I'll turn you guys around and we'll work on the engine bay. All right, guys. So as you can see, I got everything done. I also went back over and sprayed some more Albert Kimberly, the rubberized undercoating. So I sprayed that on there because I think it looks good. I think it's gonna blend and it's gonna just kind of give a unique look to the engine bay. I know a lot of people, God man, my face is itching right now. All the seam sealer, everything else. Nah. All right, so it's all done. I got the engine bay done. I got all the seam sealer put in place. I got the drip rails done, thank God. That was kind of a pain in the ass because I had to rebuild some of these drip rails, like portions of the drip rails. So yeah, first time ever doing that months and months ago, and turned out good. I got them all seam sealed, they're all good to go. Now it can all dry for the next couple of days. And yeah, I'm gonna see if my little experiment test spray with the Kimberly undercoating on the inner engine bay turns out good tomorrow whenever I look at that, because it's just gonna kind of match the appearance of the motor itself. If you guys have it, give a thumbs up. You know, if you like it enough, click the subscribe button. You know, it's gonna help me out, you know, continuing this build, because after this one is gonna be another one. Not a 67 Mustang, not a car, but a truck. And that's why I'm hoping that I can get some people tagging along with this and build into the next one, because yeah, my dad's got a 94 Silverado. He's owned it ever since 94. And that's gonna be the next one up after this. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like, give a thumbs up, subscribe, you know, just hit the like button. It's right down there. Just click it. You click it. You click it. Okay.